Millions of people are impacted annually by musculoskeletal tissue damage caused by various factors, including fractures or old age. Restoring their functionality is challenging due to the complex nature of these tissues. Clinical standards relying on grafts and implants have limitations, including supply constraints and high failure rates. InterLynk, an EU-funded research project coordinated by the University of Aveiro, unites 8 partner institutions from 4 European countries. Together, they are developing innovative solutions based on advanced medical scaffolds produced with multiple biomaterials, cutting-edge virtual modeling and additive manufacturing technologies that could be used for the repair of maxillomandibular defects, including the temporomandibular joint. Various biomaterials, including human-derived platelet lysates and calcium phosphate nanoparticles, will be combined to develop innovative scaffolds that successfully respond to the diverse regenerative needs of the tissues and interfaces that make up complex joint systems. Together, InterLynk partners are engineering complexity to shape a future where tissue regeneration is more effective and personalized.